Welcome to our lab assignment for this lesson. We're going to be covering Java syntax in our lab. First step is to download the project using this link. You're going to hit the download button here at the top right. Keep a note of the folder that goes in. If not, if you're on Chrome, for example, you can just hit this show in folder button here. And you're going to want to extract that folder. You're going to hit extract all. It's going to ask you where to put it. You keep it in the same folder if you like. Just keep in mind, it does nest the folder. So notice there's like multiple levels of lab one. It's lab one and then lab one again. And then it's the folder. So you're going to want to open up the most nested one here. So I'm going to do, so there's a couple ways to do this. If you enable this option during installation, you'll have this when you do show more options. You'll see this open folder as IntelliJ IDEA project. So that's one way to open it. If not, you can navigate to your IntelliJ IDEA IDE first. Let me close this project so you guys can see what that would look like. I'm gonna remove from recent projects, pretend like it's not there. I'm gonna hit open. Now all I have to do is navigate to my downloads folder. And then there's lab one. Again, I want the most nested one here. So I'm gonna hit OK. And then, yep, that's the project here. Now you don't actually have to open it on the IDE to complete this project. But the IDE does give you some helpful tips here. As you can see, it's already highlighting some of the errors. So yeah, your job is to identify the errors, identify some of the key syntax and structures that we learned. And overall, you're also going to identify what this code does, right, once you're finished debugging. So that's all in the lab assignment here. Here you go. Unzip the project files. I'm going to add a little note here. Remember to open or to import the most nested folder. Remember to open the most nested lab folder. The one inside. Yeah, so just remember that, right? Otherwise you might have some issues. Yeah, just remember to do that. I'm still figuring out ways to like upload these things for y'all, so maybe I'll find some better tricks so you don't have to worry about these nested folders. Anyways, that's the questions are here, so make sure to answer all of those for full credit. And if you have any issues, just feel free to reach out and I'd be happy to help.